With so many law of attraction tools, techniques, and videos, I'm sure you're confused. What are the most important things you need to do today? And how much is enough really for you to manifest your goals? Well, the most important thing for you to understand is less is always more. So you don't need to be daydreaming and thinking about your goals all day. In fact, you need to choose few tools and start applying them consistently to get desirable results fast. Here are 3 things from my end that you can do. Mind you, even if you're not doing other things and only following these 3 things that I'm giving you, I guarantee you will get amazing results. Firstly, identify up to 3 goals that you wish to manifest in your life and engage with your goals every day by writing them down daily. The second suggestion is make a list of negative beliefs you hold about your goals. Maybe your belief is you're not good enough or you're not worthy to attract success. Convert each of these negative beliefs you hold. Take 5 negative beliefs at a time. Convert them into positive statements and start repeating these positive statements to yourself every day for a few minutes. Suggestion number 3. Practice forgiveness and letting go. This is very important because if you don't make space for something new in your life, it's not going to come. Besides, when you forgive others, when you let go of the past, you send a very strong message to your subconscious mind that you deserve to receive new things and that you're ready to receive what you're asking for. Remember, if your cup is already full, there's no way you're going to be adding something more in it. So, to forgive, just spend a couple of minutes every day. Think of something that is bothering you and start repeating the words, I forgive this person or I forgive this situation. I let go of the past. Get started with these. Well, these 3 suggestions and tips are extremely powerful, but like I said earlier, you need to be consistent with them. Let me know how they are working for you.
If you enjoyed this video, do share it with others. Subscribe to this channel. Click the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos. This is Dr. Karishma Ahuja wishing you all the very best. Namaste. God bless.